Like, it really tastes like they're Doritos. It's so good. Go get these chips. And you can eat guilt-free.
Perfect.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a review. That's what we're doing. We're doing a review. I got something new for y'all. I got something special for y'all. So we are doing a review on something keto that I have. It is the Keto Hilo Nacho Cheese almond flour tortilla chips. So I call them Keto Doritos. Period. Keto Doritos. That's what we're reviewing today. So I bought these off of Amazon. I'm about to open up the box now, and I actually bought two of these, two flavors I'll say. So I bought the nacho cheese ones, and I bought the what's the other popular Dorito flavor? Cool Ranch. That's what I bought. The nacho cheese flavor and the Cool Ranch flavor. So I am going to open these now, and I'm going to try them. I haven't opened either box. I'm going to try the nacho cheese flavor one because today I'm not only doing a review, but today is none other than Taco Tuesday. So I'm also gonna do a food idea or a food suggestion with this item. So buckle your seats, sit back and relax, and we about to get this review going, and we about to see what food I cook up with this item today too. So let me go get my little knife and scissors or whatever. So I got my scissors. I'm about to open the box. Remember I told y'all I'm opening my box for the first time with you all. And I can't remember, I think it's 12 come in the box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, so it's 12 that come in the box. The packages look like this. Hopefully I don't have too much light going on in here. So it's Hilo Life, that's the brand. Keto Your Way, nacho cheese, almond flour, tortilla style chips. So it's made with almond flour, of course, 3 grams of net carbs, 9 grams of protein. So it's a total of 5 grams of carbs for the entire bag. Dietary fiber is 2 grams, so you will subtract that from the total carbs, and then you have 3 grams of net carbs. So you have 3 grams of net carbs. If you count net carbs, that's awesome. This is only 3 grams a pack. If you just count 4 regular carbs, this is still good for a pack of chips. And almond flour at that too, because almond flour to me can be a little high in carbs. So I try to stay away from it as much as possible, but I do still do some almond flour things when I'm on keto. So only 5 grams of carbs for the whole entire bag. So I'm about to cut this up. I'm about to open these up, and I'm gonna try it. I'm kind of nervous. I can smell the cheese from the bag, so I guess that's a good thing. Ooh, and of course I picked the cheesiest one out of a whole bunch. So look, that's how they look. That's pretty cheesy. Like, I love when my Doritos have a lot of cheese on them. Period. So that's how they look. They kind of give that tortilla look. You see the little dots like the tortillas? Okay, so I'm gonna try it and see how it is. Okay. Okay, it's not too bad. Of course, it's not a Dorito, so I'm not gonna even front you. I'm not gonna even hold you. Like most almond flour, it is just a little bit grainy at the end, but it does have a lot of cheese, like a lot of cheese flavor, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's good. Overall, I would give it an okay. Thumbs up. I would say it's a good close substitute. It's not an actual Dorito. It does have a good flavor to it. Would I keep eating these chips on a regular? Yes, I would, because it takes that chip feeling away. You know how you're on keto, you've been on keto for a while, but you really want something to snack on. You want something salty, but you don't want just meat and cheese or a pickle or anything like that. You want something that's gonna give you that snack feel, but without the carbs. So I would definitely do this. It's thinner than your regular Dorito, but it's pretty good. So with that being said, this is my first time trying these chips. I'm gonna give y'all a little food idea on Taco Tuesday to do. So I've already whipped up my food, and I'm really just gonna use these as a base. So today I am going to make keto nacho salad. I said keto nacho salad. That's what we about to make today. So it's a cross between nachos, duh, and taco salad, period. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how I fix it, and yeah, we about to get this going. So, but before I fix the food, if you are wanting some of these, they're the Hilo Life brand. Again, only 3 grams of net carbs for the entire bag. They're really tasty, they're really good. Yeah, I will link them below at the bottom, and I will link them below at the bottom so you all can click on that and purchase if you would like to. I would give them a thumbs up. I would suggest them. At least try them. Buy 1 box. The box I think was like $19, but that is so good for keto items that are already prepackaged for you and made, because most keto items are really expensive. So this is something that's a good alternative outside of you making your own keto chips or your own keto crackers. This is a really good alternative, and you can use this for dips, cheese dips, and all of that type of stuff. So yeah. So anyway, let's make our food for today so we can go on and eat and get the night over with. You know what I'm saying? All right. y'all, so I had already cooked everything to the side. I was doing taco salad, and I was like, you know what, I haven't even tested these chips out. I haven't even used these chips, and I kind of want to eat Doritos with my queso type thing, but I was like, I forgot about these chips that I had, so why don't I just do a review on these chips real quick, and why don't I use them as well for me? So killing two birds in one stone. I just decided to go ahead and do this video and do the review as well as fix my food to eat, period. So I was doing the taco salad like for my family. So what I did was I did ground turkey meat. Y'all just season it up how y'all want to season it up. Everyone's seen how to season ground turkey meat, so that's why I didn't do anything on that. I did my Hatch green chili queso, which really all I put in there was fresh tomatoes, fresh onion. I melted Velveeta cheese, and I used Hatch green chilies. And what else did I do? Typically I add like raw jalapenos because I did like a pico, but I didn't do that this time. I just added the Hatch green chilies. So and then I layered it with my cheese sauce first, and then I layered the chips first, and I did a bag of chips, which was the total net. Well, I've already told y'all about the carbs and all that stuff. So I did the 1 bag of chips, and I layered my cheese sauce first, and then I layered my meat, and then I layered the shredded lettuce on top with extra pico on top, and then an extra drizzle of the queso cheese. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. It tastes like the real thing. Like, let me put this down because y'all don't understand. Like, y'all, it's so good. Guilt free, like you eating Doritos. When you eat it with the toppings, you don't even taste the grains on it. And I shouldn't even be eating like this, but it's so good. They're so thin that the chips are breaking, but I think I should eat with a fork, but they're too good. Y'all go check this out. I gotta go eat my food. So y'all try this out. If y'all want to try this recipe, definitely do that too. Just giving y'all some keto ideas on how y'all can switch up what y'all would normally do, like with the Dorito nachos. And you can also use these chips with Rotel too. We've had Rotel recently, and I didn't want that. I wanted something more of a taco salad, but not really a taco salad, but with queso. And yeah, so I came up with this, and it is what it is. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy that. Yes, thank you all so much for watching this video. It's a very, very quick, short video, the way I intended it to be. So I hope you all enjoy as much as I enjoy making the video, as much as I enjoy giving you all these keto ideas to do. So go check these chips out. Click the link in my and at the bottom, click the link at the bottom in the description to go and purchase you some of these chips, because they are I would say a close second-ish, you know, to Doritos. They're really good, really cheesy flavor, really good flavor. So yeah, go check these out, period. And I'm out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I thank you all so much for watching, and have a good one.